Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the new Messenger update. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and here you can see an option of open is there. So it means that my Messenger is up to date. But let me show you. If your Messenger is not updated, you can see an option of update. So you simply need to click on that and you can update your Messenger. So once you complete that step, you need to go back and you need to open settings of your smartphone. Once you open, you simply need to go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for the Messenger. Click on that. And here you can see different options. You simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage so that if some new feature is missing and you will have that option once you done that. And after that you need to go back and open your Messenger and after that you can find all the updates in the Messenger. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.